Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With Canva in Aweber, you can use Canva elements to create some uniquely designed images for your emails or your landing pages. For example, let's add an image to our email. And then over here on the right, we'll use the Design on Canva button to add an image. Now, we can add an image of any particular size. If you scroll through this Canva dropdown, you'll see those sizes listed next to the names. So we'll choose a size. And then over here on the left, we'll click Elements. Now, these are little pre-designed assets that we can add to our image to, again, create our own custom designed image. For example, if this email talks about gardening, let's take a couple of gardening elements. We'll choose this planter and a shovel. What other imagery do we have? Here we go. We'll take some of these gardening tools. Well, let's move those over a little bit. I won't spend too much time, but you can really do a lot of fun things with this. And then maybe we want to find something that says farm, so we can tell people a story about gardening and growing your own food. So we'll just choose an image from there. I'll put it right here. And then we'll save it. So just a few clicks, we can create our own custom designed images right here in Aweber. Oh, we can do the same thing for landing pages too. So just drag an image in. Click to Design on Canva. Again, we'll change the size up. We'll use a square. Again, click Elements. And this time, let's look up some imagery for our cookbook. We'll just choose one of these cookbook illustrations. We'll maybe move that up a little bit. And then cooking. Let's just choose an image from here. We'll move that down a little bit. And then we'll bring that other illustration up front. We'll just right click and we'll choose Bring Forward. Then we'll save. And our custom image is added to our landing page. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.